Hello bachcho, the question says is the graph below shows the rise in temperature of a solid of specific heat capacity 0.5 calorie per gram per degree Celsius and the heat supplied to it. Find the mass and specific latent heat of fusion. Here, the key concept of the question is heat versus temperature graph. So यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं हमसे मास और स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन पूछा है। तो एक सॉलिड है जिसकी स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी हमें गिवन है, दैट इज 0.5 कैलोरी पर ग्राम पर डिग्री सेल्सियस। सो ए टू बी स्टेट में वो सॉलिड होगा एंड देन बी टू सी में हीट तो दी जा रही है, हीट एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है बाय द ऑब्जेक्ट बट टेम्परेचर रेज नहीं हो रहा है। इट इज हेयर विल बी द लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन एंड देन सी टू डी वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में अपने टेम्परेचर को राइज कर रहा है। तो स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी हमें गिवन है और फॉर ए टू बी जब वो अपना टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज कर रहा है ए टू बी के लिए for A to B, the change in temperature is 0 to 90 degrees Celsius, that is 90 degrees Celsius, and the heat Q here is 1000 calorie. And the formula is heat is equal to mass times of specific heat capacity times of change in temperature. So change in temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. Specific heat capacity is 0.5 calorie per gram per degree Celsius and the mass जो हमें find out करना है and heat is 1000 calorie. तो हम जब सॉल्व करेंगे इसको हम देख रहे हैं डिग्री सेल्सियस यूनिट कट जा रही है, कैलोरी यूनिट कट जा रही है, ओनली वी हैव ग्राम एज अ मास यूनिट एंड इट विल बी 1000 divided by 0.5 multiply 90 gram is the mass. Thus the mass is 22.22 gram. And this is the first answer. Then the second, specific heat, latent heat of fusion. So the specific latent heat of fusion can be given by Q is equals to mass times of latent heat of fusion and so the latent heat, specific latent heat of fusion is the heat required to change phase by unit mass. So it comes out to be here the heat changes this value. As we can see each this value is 200, then 200, 400, 600 and this amount is not specific. So let it consider it as 40. Then the total heat is 640 calorie. 640 calorie divided by mass is 22.22 gram. Thus the answer is 28.8 calorie per gram is the specific latent heat of fusion. Then the next question here is specific heat capacity of the body in its liquid state. तो liquid state में specific heat capacity find out करनी है, तो that is for C2D. So for C2D, the heat is equals to mass times of specific heat capacity times of change in temperature. Heat required for C2D is 2600 minus 1640 calorie is equals to mass is 22.22 gram times of specific heat capacity times of change in temperature, and change in temperature here is 90 to 140, that is 140 degree minus 90 degree Celsius. On solving, 960 calorie is equals to 22.22 gram times of specific heat capacity times of 50 degree Celsius. On solving, the value comes out to be 960 calorie divided by 22.22 gram divided by 50 degree Celsius. Thus the answer is 0.86 calorie per gram per degree Celsius, and here is the answer. I hope you understand this question well. Thank you.